Good afternoon everyone. So today we are gathered here in Woodcrest 1 Aero Street Open Space to celebrate our Kids and Family Fair.
Ako po ang nag-represent ng God Turn 4.
Mag-enjoy kayo, kids and adults, and mag-ingat kayo natin.
Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng pumunta ngayon. Alam ko na medyo mainit, pero konting tiis lang, mag-start na po tayo.
Ayun, so ang masasabi ko lang, sinasabi na ng iba, is mag-enjoy kayo lahat dahil ito binuo namin para sa inyo.
Bakit ba tayo nandito lahat? So of course, to gather everyone within our community in Woodcrest 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, Redfern 3, Redfern 4, Redfern 6, and Redfern 8.
Right now, we're on the
Welcome to our Kids and Family Fair 2025. The team Be the Hero.
buckle up your seatbelts. We about to free fall. Hanging out the window. What you think of me now?
Brian po, thank you, Christy. Thank you po sa mga pumunta.
We're riding, riding all the way, all the way, all the way.
From Redfern 8, maraming salamat po. Saka sa mga nag-walk-in.
Eyes off the ground. We're on the rise. Stars in our eyes. You can't bring us down. You can't stop us now. Because right now, we're on the ride.
Enjoy lang po. Thank you. Salamat po at sana mag-enjoy po kayo. Ako pala si Paul.
Living in the moment. You know where we're going.
Huwag po kayong sangalala kasi ang ating party masisipag natin
Ain't never
volunteers.
slowing down. We keep climbing. We're riding, riding all the way, all the way, all the way.
Okay! Bring me lang po ito. Sobrang simple.
Ride of our lives off the ground. We're on the rise. Stars in our eyes. You can't bring us down. You can't stop us now. Because right now we're on the ride.
So bakit ba natin ito ginagawa? Para i-cultivate ang culture ng family and para magkaroon tayo ng masayang experience this coming long weekend. So I hope everyone will enjoy the event today. Meron tayong mga bazaar and we also have booths that have been prepared by your village leaders and village volunteers. I hope everyone will enjoy.
Thank you.